yet on any arrests.
Area nursing home workers are striking for better pay and conditions as COVID cases spike.
They say facility owners are putting profits ahead of the safety and well-being of employees and residents. WGN's Dana Rebick is live in the loop with the story. Dana.
Well, these nursing home workers are going into this almost the second week of this strike now, and they tell us that they are growing concerned with what they say is happening inside their places of employment since they have been on the picket line.
What do we want?
Contract! We are now on day 5 of a strike at Infinity Healthcare, where workers are literally striking for their lives and the lives of the residents that they take care of.
700 employees of Infinity Healthcare have been without a contract since June. The nursing home workers are asking for hazard pay, a higher wage, proper staffing, and a safer work environment.
Every day it's a risk going into one of these facilities, and we just want proper PPE for everyone.
This week, the company brought in replacement agency workers to fill shifts, but union leaders report many of them are already leaving.
I've had residents call me, begging me, crying, asking us to come back in the building because they're not being properly taken care of.
We're hearing in some homes, you know, that the residents are actually assisting in some type of care. We're hearing from residents that they're not getting bathed for up to 2-3 days at a time.
SEIU is now calling on the State Department of Public Health to come in and inspect the 11 long-term care facilities owned by Infinity. When it comes to COVID-19, so far there have been 1,275 cases at Infinity nursing homes and a total of 172 deaths. CityView Multicare in Cicero has had the most cases at 249, with Niles Nursing and Rehabilitation leading in deaths with 54. Statewide, there have been more than 45,000 coronavirus cases at long-term care facilities, with more than 6,000 people dying.
That's a crazy number. I don't think we should get used to that. We shouldn't be used to saying thousands of deaths of seniors in nursing homes. Many of them are preventable.
These workers say the owner of Infinity received millions of dollars from the Federal CARES Act and feel they deserve to be treated better.
He has received about $13 million in funds, and it has not shown up on our paychecks. It has not come in our buildings as PPE, and that's not right. We would like to know where this money has gone.
We're calling on Infinity to end this madness, give the workers what they deserve, put the residents first, put the workers first, you know, for once, you know, put other things first than your profit and greed.
We did reach out to both the owner and chief operating officer of Infinity Healthcare today. Neither of them have responded to us yet. Right now, nursing home deaths make up half of all of the COVID-19 fatalities in Illinois. Live in the loop, Dana Rebick, WGN News.